Good morning to all of you. Hope so. You people are healthy, safe, and we continue with the for loops. Yes, we continue with the for loops here. We have started with the nested for loop, and I would like that you people should work it out. You people should continue with the tracing works. Continue with the tracing work of the loops, because as much you will trace, that much you will be learning it. And the trick is the innermost loop ends first. The j will end first, then only I gets incremented to its next value. So nested loops play an important role. They play an important role in your computer programming, and learning it, there is only one way of learning it. That is tracing it out. That is practicing the things out. If you are not practicing it, if you are not tracing it out, then you cannot learn anything. So you should practice it out. You should do the tracing work there. And remember, I had knowingly left it up to 1 or 2 or 3, maximum 3 tracings I had done. 4, 5 spin left. The complete program was not over. It is left for you people, so that you people continue with the tracing. You people do the tracing. If you are not doing a tracing, then you are not going to learn it. So go for the try and run test. Run the loops. Check it out. Now, in a pattern, there is nothing extraordinary beta. If you are hearing me seriously, it's not a very extraordinary, because the maximum tricks I am giving to you. First, how to know what should be my loop. Look, I search for the loop, I make a circle out there. So this is a trick. If the loop begins with a greater and ends at the smaller, it will be having a greater than sign, and it will have a minus minus. If columns are printing and it is in ascending order, then obviously j is going to be plus plus, then j should be less than. And everything depends upon condition beta, where the j initializes, where the j ends, what the condition has to be placed in. And do you know, there is no extraordinary thing which I go with. I look at the every line, what's happening, what's the starting for the j would be, and what the ending of the j will be. And when you practice some questions like this, then you learn. Then only you learn. Alright. So practice is what I mean to say. Continuously I am talking about this thing. What I mean beta is only one thing: practice. It's just like a mathematics. If you leave practicing, you can't learn anything. So a humble request, practice it out. Let's continue today. Now, as I said, looking at the loop, what we have to do. Suppose I have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my loop is it? Now what should be the logic behind this? So class ABC, void main. These are the compulsory things. You require int, I and j. Now problem starts here. What should be my loop here? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times it's running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I starts here 1. I less than equals to 5. I plus plus. Now look at the j, from where the j begins. 1. Where does the j ends? 5. And the values are changing in a positive way, 1 by 1. So for j equals to 1, j less than equals to 5, j plus plus SOP j SOP ln blank outer for close, main close, class close. Look at the tracing now. I equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. True. So j equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. True. So prints 1. Then j value changes to 2. 2 less than equals to 5. True. Prints 2. SOPJ. 3 less than equals to 5. Prints 3. J equals to 4. 4 less than equals to 5. Prints 4. J equals to 5. 5 less than equals to 5. Prints 5. Now j value changes to 6. 6 less than equals to 5. False. Now line changes. I changes to 2. 2 less than equals to 5. J starts with 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. True. Prints 1. J changes to 2. 2 less than equals to 5. True. Prints 2. J changes to 3. 3 less than equals to 5. True. Prints 3. J changes to 4. 4 less than equals to 5. True. Prints 4. J changes to 5. 5 is less than equals to 5. True. Prints 5. Then j becomes 6. 6 is less than equals to 5. False. Line changes. Now the another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 5. Is it? Now, class ABC. Void main. Scanner. New scanner. System dot in. Now look, where should be? Oh, sorry. No scanner is required here. We are simply writing it. No, I meant. So int I and j. Now the question arises, what should be the I? Look at the loop where it is changing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what the loop is changing. So for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus. Now for j, look at the j. J is 1, goes up to 5. It ends at 5. J ends at 5. J is 1. When the I becomes 2, j becomes 2. When I becomes 3, j becomes 3. When I becomes 4, j becomes 4. When I becomes 5, j becomes 5. So j is I. Now j ends where? At 5. And the things are changing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So j plus plus. SOP j. SOP ln blank. Main close, outer for close, main close, class close. I equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. True. So j equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. True. So it prints 1 here. Then j equals to 2. 2 less than equals to 5. So it prints 2 here. Then j value changes to 3. 3 less than equals to 5. J equals to 4. 4 less than equals to 5. J equals to 5. 5 less than equals to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gets printed. But when j becomes 6, 6 is less than equals to 5. False. Line changes. Then I becomes 2. 2 is less than 5. True. Now j equals to I. So j also starts with 2. 2 less than equals to 5. True. So prints 2. Then j value changes to 3. So 3 less than equals to 5. True. So 3 gets printed up. then j value changes to 4, 4 less than equals to 5, true, 4 gets printed. Then j value changes to 5, 5 less than equals to 5, true, 5 gets printed up. Then j value changes to 6, 6 is less than equals to 5, false, line changes. Five, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look at the loop. Where is the loop? This one is the loop. ABC, void main, int I j. Is it? No. For I equals to 5, I begins with the 5, बड़ा से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो I हमेशा ग्रेटर देन का सिंबल होगा, इक्वल्स टू 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 घट रहा ना, I माइनस माइनस. फॉर J, अब J कैसे पसंद, तो J ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद 5, J बिगिंस विद 5, 5 के बाद कुछ नहीं है. नेक्स्ट लाइन चेक कर लो, 5 के बाद 4 आ रहा है. तीसरा लाइन देखो 5, 4, 3, यानी कि वो घट के आ रहा है. कहाँ तक घट के आ रहा है? 1 तक. तो J कहाँ से बिगिन कर रहा है? J ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद 5. ठीक है, J क्या कर रहा है? घट रहा है, J माइनस माइनस होगा, यानी कि J में भी ग्रेटर देन का सिंबल लगेगा. ग्रेटर देन व्हाट? कहाँ तक? J कहाँ तक हो रहा है? तो J I को, जब I4 5 है तो 5 तक चल रहा है, I4 है तो 4 तक चल रहा है, I3 है तो 3 तक. तो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू I SOP J, SOP ln blank, outer for close, main close, class close. No. I equals to 5, 5 is greater than equals to 1, true. J equals to 5, 5 is greater than equals to 5, true. 5 प्रिंट हो गया ना. J माइनस माइनस, तो J की वैल्यू हो गई 4, तो 4 is greater than equals to 5, false, line changes. Then I value changes to 4, so 4 is greater than equals to 1, true. Sorry, 4 is greater than equals to 1, true. Then J equals to 5, 5 is greater than equals to 4, true. 5 is greater than equals to 4, it becomes 5. Then J minus minus, J becomes 4, 4 is greater than equals to 4, true. Friends, 4. Then J value changes to 3, 3 is greater than equals to 4, false, line changes. Then I value changes to 3, 3 is greater than equals to 1, true. J starts with 5, 5 is greater than equals to 3, true. So friends, 5. J value changes to 4, 4 is greater than equals to 3, true. Friends, 4. Then J value changes to 3, 3 is greater than equals to 3, true. Friends, 3. Then J value changes to 2, 2 is greater than equals to 3, false, line changes. Are you getting it? This is what it has to be done now. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. So where is the loop now? Is it? So class ABC, word main, int I and j. So for I equals to 1, I becomes with 1. 1 से लेके 5 जा रहा है, यानी कि बढ़ रहा है, तो बढ़ रहा है तो क्या होगा? लेस देन हो जाएगा, इक्वल्स टू 5, I plus plus. For j, now from where the j begins? J always begins with the 5. J is beginning with a 5, means beginning with a greater number and ends at the smallest number. That means J is डिक्रीमेंटिंग बाई वन स्टेप. तो J माइनस माइनस बड़े से और माइनस हो रहा है, तो J की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ पे? ग्रेटर देन हो जाएगी. ग्रेटर देन व्हाट? When I is 1, it ends at 1. When I is 2, it ends at 2. When I is 3, ends at 3. When I is 4, ends at 4. When I is 5, it ends at 5. So equals to SOP J SOP LN blank main outer core close, main close, class close. Now check it out. I value equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. True. J equals to 5. 5 is greater than equals to I. I is 1. 5 1 से बड़ा है, ठीक है. 5 प्रिंट हो. J की वैल्यू 4. 4 greater than equals to 1. 4. J की वैल्यू 3. 3 greater than equals to 1. 3. J की वैल्यू 2. 2 greater than equals to 1. 2. J की वैल्यू 1. 1 is greater than equals to 1. 1. J की वैल्यू हो गई 0. 0 is greater than equals to 1. False. Line change. Then I value changes to 2. 2 is less than equals to 5. True. Now J becomes with 5. 5 is greater than equals to 2. True. Friends 5. J value changes to 4. 4 is greater than equals to 2. True. Friends 4. J value changes to 3. 3 is greater than equals to 2. True. Friends 3. J value changes to 2. 2 is greater than equals to 2. True. Friends true. Then J value changes to 1. 1 is greater than equals to 2. False. 9 changes. So trace these things, do it, and you will get the answers. Wait for the next type of programs. Thank you.